Greetings, welcome back to Pink Oddbird. Today what I'm here with is my October Calico Collage design team project using Hallowed Felines. I will link down in the description box to all of the information for this kit, but this is Norella's Halloween kit and it's all basically cats. I'm going to share it with you right now, so let's go ahead and take a look. So the closure is just a piece of like this forest green ribbon that I have in my stash. The cover is actually something that I really love. It's made out of gift bags. So I basically took a gift bag. Well, I had two gift bags. So the front cover is one gift bag and I love it. Well, you can see the holes here where the strings were. But I love it because it has such like a cool feel. And I don't know, I just love the texture. You guys know what gift bags feel like. And then I just did some lace on the spine and then on the two covers. And then of course I chose this as the cover because it has the little kitten there and there's also a dog. This book is going to be used for a swap and I'm giving this one to my buddy Priscilla. So on the inside cover, as you can see, this is the other gift bag that I had. So I just left this inside cover how it was, but as you can see, there's also a little black cat here, but it really went with the theme. So I just smacked the two covers together and that's what I did. Oh, and then I thought this was cute too, because at the top you can see there's like a little row of kittens. So I thought that was kind of perfect also. So all of the digital images and ephemera in this kit in this book are from Norella's kit. And if it's otherwise, I'll let you know. So let's go ahead and take a look. So I have a vintage playing card here, a little journaling card. Added some washi in. There's a big tag here. And so I just put one of the images from the kit on the tag. And then inside is another little tag that slips out. And then I made a little belly band on here. And I just put one of my tarot cards in with this strength image. It's manticore, but kind of looks like cat-ish, cat-like. So I put that one in. And then of course there's another piece of that gift bag with the kittens on it. This is from the kit. I just fussy cut it. Miss Brittany sent me a bunch of cool things. I'll link to her channel in the description box below, but thank you for all the stuff that you sent me, Brittany. Little Halloween stamp banner comes with the kit. And there's one of her large tags. This comes with a kit. When black cats prowl and pumpkins gleam, may luck be yours on Halloween. And then just a big journaling card behind that belly band. These are some sticky notes. There's a pocket here. This was just a scrap from some of that Halloween fabric, and I was going to throw it away, but then I was like, no. So I sewed it onto the page. This paper comes from Kristie, so I think all of the coffee stain paper in here, actually, I used that whole, pretty much all that you sent, Kristie. Some washi. So what the treat to me was on the insides, like you know how when you open the gift bag, the side panel that folds, well, this is the image that was in one of the gift bags. So I used that. I kept one for myself and one for this book. Same with the other bag. I kept one for myself and one for the book, but all I did was I just kind of flattened it out, but you can still kind of see where it folds, but it's okay. And it just makes a really cute tag. So check the inside of your bag because there's some cute images in there. I do have a few Tim Holtz clippings in here, some paper from Rita. And there's another tag on the inside. All of the images on these tags are fussy cut from images that you get with the kit. So I put this little book page in, The Tiger in Your House, because I always joke with Priscilla that cats are like basically house lions or house tigers. So I thought that book page was way too perfect. This one, Black Cat Dance, that's cute. Some of the scrapbook paper that you're seeing in here, I found it at the thrift store actually. So that was actually a pretty lucky find. It really went well with this kit. Some stamping, Some more of that paper. I put this one in because he's like, run! And then stop on this side. That's from Kara. A little Rita flip here. And the little witchery tag. Another little piece that I got from Brittany. And then I like this book page because it says, I'm a cat convert. But don't get happy, Priscilla, because I'm not. I'm not really a cat person. I don't mind them, but you know, if I was going to have a pet, it would probably be a dog. What do you guys prefer, cats or dogs or both? I did meet Dolly's cat. Her cat was really nice, so, you know, there are some nice cats in the world. Some more Tim Holtz clippings. And this is just a scrap that I had, and this comes with the kit, but look how pretty that is. So this is the big tiger, the tiger in your house. That's the other side of that book page, but I thought that was too funny. Another one of those felt pieces, and then a tag on the inside. Here's another big fabric tag that I just sewed. This kit was actually pretty fun. I had gotten so much happy mail from a lot of friends this season, so thank you everyone who sent me some cool stuff. So this is the inside of that bag, the flap on the inside of the other bag. It goes to this bag. So that was the inside of it, and then again I just sewed it onto here, making it a really cute tag. And look at that moon. And then this doily, Shayna sent these to me, and I just grunged it up, and I just was thinking maybe just leave it as a little journaling spot because I thought it was cute. Oh, the washi in here is Tim Holtz. This tag, I stitched it onto the page, and then there's just black lace, but you can see the stitching that I did on the other side. So it'll flip out, and then just some fabric here. There's another pocket. The hoo-hoos. Dance, black cats. And another big journaling card in there, and a tag as well. Some more of those sticky notes here on the back side. There's another tag that I sewed, and then inside just a piece of that fabric that I didn't really want to throw away. It's a headless mummy because I accidentally must have cut the head off or something. I don't know. Another big tag. These little pieces, they come with the kit as well. This belly band, I put Hallowed Felines on it. That's the name of the kit. And then here's another piece of that bag. I pretty much used up the both entire bags. So inside here, there's another one of those tags. And this one, I just put some Inca Gold to make that owl stand out. And then this is the back side. I just stitched around that piece from the kit there. So here I just have this graphic 45 piece and stamped on here, and then just put on a piece of a poem, and then another one of those owl tags. There's my stamp, and this is the back. So that is the end. But I love this book. It came out really nice, I think. I love the kit. It was fun, really easy to work with, easy to combine with the scrapbook papers that I had. So yeah, I think it was a really fun project, and I'm just happy, and I hope that Priscilla will like this. And yeah, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this flip through. I'm going to go ahead and go. Be sure to check the description box for any pertinent details and all my thank yous for supplies as well. So that is going to wrap it up for me for now. Be sure to stay tuned because you never know what direction this odd flock of ours is heading into. And until next time, toodaloo.